Could you ever imagine a future where robots are not just machines, but companions, colleagues, and perhaps even friends? Welcome to the realm of robotics, where such a future is not just possible, but increasingly probable. The journey of robotics is a fascinating one, dotted with major breakthroughs that have shaped the way we view and interact with these mechanical marvels. Our timeline begins in the mid-20th century, with the introduction of Unimate, the first industrial robot, in 1961. This machine, capable of handling molten metal, marked the dawn of robotics in the industrial sector. A decade later, in the early 1970s, the Stanford arm made its debut, demonstrating the potential for precision that robots could achieve. This six-jointed robotic arm could assemble and disassemble items with an accuracy that was unheard of at the time. Fast forward to the turn of the century, and we find the birth of Asimo, Honda's humanoid robot. Introduced in the year 2000, Asimo could walk, climb stairs, and even recognize and respond to simple voice commands. This marked a significant leap in the field of humanoid robotics. The year 2004 brought us the first autonomous vehicle, Stanley, which won the DARPA Grand Challenge. Stanley navigated a 131-mile desert course in less than 7 hours, all without human intervention, revolutionizing the concept of autonomous vehicles. The year 2015 saw the rise of collaborative robots, or cobots. These machines are designed to work hand-in-hand with humans, marking a shift from robots replacing human labor to robots augmenting it. Now, in the year 2024, we stand on the brink of another revolution in robotics, with advances in artificial intelligence and machine learning paving the way for robots that can learn, adapt, and make decisions. In summary, the field of robotics has seen tremendous advancements, from the introduction of industrial robots in the 1960s to the development of autonomous vehicles and collaborative robots in the 21st century. Today, we stand at the precipice of a new era, where robots are not just tools, but partners. As we look to the future, it's clear that robotics will continue to shape our world in ways we can only begin to imagine. So stay tuned, stay curious, and always be ready to embrace the future that robotics holds.